Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to this event. Now, my role today is to introduce you to a remarkable speaker who lives nearly 8,000 kilometers from here, yet chooses to address us as neighbours. Neighbours, you know, the ones we gossip with during the lunch break and spread rumours about on social media. Now, in urban slang, these tittle-tattle tales and stories that we spread about us in our communities are called bird talk. Well, here today, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great privilege to present to you bird talk that means what it says, a bird talking to us. With a passion that springs from personal experience, our feathered friend will deliver a keynote speech that reminds me of a line from a Barry Crocker song. I don't know if you know it. Neighbours need to get to know each other. Well, the scene is set on the Caribbean island of Puerto Rico, in the plunging landscape of the Rio Abajo forest, which we see here. Now, one prominent feature of the forest is the Arecibo Observatory. This huge radio telescope, the largest of its kind in the world at the time, was completed in 1963. The reflector dish itself measured 305 meters across. And to give you some idea of how big that is, if we were to put the center of the dish in the middle of the main square, then it would cover the whole of the Church of St. Mary and most of the old parts of town. The fine old theatre would be down here on the nearest rim, and we'd have to make our way right across town up here somewhere to find the Labour Exchange, which of course actors do now and again all through their lives. This central structure above the dish is where the focus is adjusted. These long cables come from these huge pylons towering over the forest, and they can move and support the central structure. Well, this telescope remained in operation for over 50 years, searching for life among the stars. Then, owing to badly damaged parts from hurricanes and storms, Arecibo was finally decommissioned in 2020. The Rio Abajo forest is also home to wildlife, including several endangered species. One of these is Arecibo is Amazona vittata, the Puerto Rican parrot. This little fellow, just 30 centimeters long, is the only parrot that is native to the island. Largely due to deforestation, the once enormous parrot population had diminished by 1967 to just 13 birds. Since then, efforts have been made to breed these parrots in captivity and gradually reintroduce them to the wild. In 2014, the American author Ted Chiang was asked to write a script for a video which juxtaposed the mighty sky-fixated telescope with its humble yet highly intelligent tree-dwelling neighbour. The parrot's words to humanity were later published as The Great Silence.
You neighbors use the Arecibo telescope to look for extraterrestrial intelligence. Your desire to make a connection was so strong that you created an ear capable of hearing across the universe. But I and my fellow parrots are right here. Why aren't you interested in listening to our voices? We are a non-human species capable of communicating with you. Aren't we exactly what you are looking for?